You see, Arnob, I mean, it actually needs some perspective. It's somehow in the genetic code of the Congress to question the army, to question the government, and to run down the nation when such things happen. Let me just remind you that in 1962, when we lost Aksai Chin to the Chinese, Pandit Nehru stood in parliament and said, oh, you know, not a blade of grass grows there, so what difference does it make? And then he went on to say, you see, we had no idea about Ladakh. What is Ladakh? What does it look like? And these are part of parliamentary records. Anybody here, before you shout me down, please go back and read them. When NEFA fell, Pandit Nehru went on All India Radio to say, my heart goes out to the people of Assam. And then if we come down time, when Kargil happened, every single day.
Oh, yeah.
And I was,
Oh, yeah, you were in government
in the
then.
Prime Minister's office those days.
Yeah, I remember that.
Every single day, Sonia Gandhi statement, and that would be dutifully amplified by the Congress, demanding explanations from the government. They were not offering suggestions. They were not offering assistance. They were not offering help. They were not offering political support. Every day there would be a statement questioning the government, denigrating the government, running down the defense forces. Now, if you look at ever since the China, and this has become a pattern, the Chinese keep on fiddling with the LSE or fiddling along the LSE. They cross, they come near it. We saw what happened in Doklam. And even during Doklam, the Congress kept on saying, oh, what happened? Why did you allow it to happen? The government of India did not invite them to come down over there. Even today, if they have come close to the LSE in eastern Ladakh, the government of India has not invited them to come over there. You live with China.
What is de-escalation, gentlemen? What is de-escalation?
And, oh, please keep.
You live with China. China is your neighbor.
No,
China
what is
will keep on
de-escalation,
beating you.
You said
China
they
will
haven't.
keep on troubling you. The problem is not.
Losing the audio,
Problem
losing the
is
video
not
with Kanchan.
China.
Losing the video with
Problem
Kanchan
is
Gupta. Let's bring in GD
people
Bakshi.
Lachian's Delhi who go.
GD
and
Bakshi lost the video with
start
Kanchan
the
Gupta.
Chinese.
He asked what is de-escalation, then Gawan is ready to reply from GD Bakshi, please.